Amravati is going to be a tough contest for BJP, Congress and other alliance parties as well. And in fact, since ever independence, it is for the first time that BJP is contesting from Amravati. And I'm being joined by the candidate herself, Navneet Rana, exclusively to speak to Times Network. Navneet ji, first of all, tell us that on just few hours before voting, what do you think that what is going on in the minds of the people who are going to vote? What are the issues? National issues will be the main talking point, or the regional issues?
See, I'll tell you one thing. From the independence, the day the Lok Sabha has started, this is the first time we've got the symbol of lotus in Amravati. So now if you see in whole Amravati Kar, we call our people Amravati Kar. So the voters of Amravati, they all are excited. The cadre of BJP and the ideology, the people of ideology who belongs to this cadre, they are 101% going to vote because everybody is excited because they are going to vote for nation. This is not the election of corporation or Vidhan Sabha or MLC or a local general election what state belong. This is the elections for a nation. So people know that in future in 2024, again for a third time, the Prime Minister is going to be Narendra Modi. So now the voters have been smart enough that they know this is the vote for the nation, not for the local issues. So yes, definitely the biggest factor is going to work is Narendra Modi ji in my constituency, because people are excited to vote for Lotus for the first time. And for me, you can see my face, the charm I have, the smile I have, because the way I have worked from last 5 years, the connectivity what I have kept with my people in Amravati, the way I have worked in Parliament for 5 years. People know that Parliament, generally they have seen the Parliament who represent a Parliament from last 40 years, whoever become a member of Parliament, very few member of Parliament had represent so strong in the Parliament. This is the only first time being newcomer in politics. The way I have represented my Amravati, the issues of Amravati and the vision what I have kept for Amravati, people know it very well.
What are the issues that you will be acknowledging now if you win, say it be the water crisis or say it be the construction of airport or in fact other issues as well?
See, my airport is almost completed. We've got the South Asia's the biggest pilot training academy in Amravati. So in this end of this year, the airport is going to take place. The flights is going to be flying from Amravati. The pilot training academy what we've got, it is going to be starting in this end of this year.
In this December. But yes, Congress is alleging that it will take...
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.